pet him? Oh, that's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Well, hello fam. We are out in California visiting some of Jimmy's family. We're going to see both grandmas that I've never ever met, and we're going to adventure around California. While we're here, we're shooting this review for a resort which was absolutely the weirdest thing I've ever seen, and I'm so psyched to check it out. And on top of that fact, California is freaking gorgeous. So we're just gonna adventure around, check it out, hopefully catch some fish. We had booked a deep sea guide, but the day we booked it, the winds are super strong, so we're not gonna actually be able to use the deep sea guide, so it's gonna be beach fishing. Fish population isn't quite as good in California as it is in Texas, so we're gonna see what we get into, but worst case scenario, we're gonna have a great time. Let's go. There it goes. Okay, all right, that would have sucked. Okay, so we're staying in a tent, this weird tent at an RV park. Oh my gosh, how cool is this? I have never even heard of something like this. When I saw it was available in an area we were traveling to see family, I knew we had to have it. Okay. This is so cute. The fridge is actually pretty good size. This place is rated like crazy high too. So I was like, I had high expectations. Okay, let's look at these doors. Look how sick they are. What is this?
It's our own little patio with the grill.
Oh, how cute is this? Got a little grill. And right over there, I think is the pool. Nice. Okay guys, you know what time it is? It's bed check. Oh.
It's actually pretty.
Okay, I'm not gonna lie to you. For a tent, this is an excellent bed. This is very cozy. This is very cozy. I like this bed. Yay me. Yay, I'm so glad. One downside to this place that you should know before booking it is there is no television. We brought our iPad to watch something on if we feel the need to watch something, but there is no TV. There's also
it's public like showers.
Yeah, it's public showers. We're gonna show you those or whatever. It's just part of this niche. There's a fan, no air conditioning, but it's cold this season, so we're doing like it's perfectly fine for right now, but obviously if it was like middle of summer, probably not a good call. All right guys, I gotta start unpacking. Goodbye. We just found the bathrooms. These are actually really cool. Okay, so regular bathroom, and look at this shower. It's like you could freaking fit like 30 people in here.
So, and what's cool about it is it's not like a shared bathroom, like
yeah.
shared showers. Because look, you can, it's got a lock on the door so you can close it off to everybody.
That's pretty cool.
So where you got the shower in the bathroom to yourself and not have to worry about other people.
Nice.
Nice.
This was better than I expected.
Nice.
Okay, so we had a wonderful first night. So what I'll say about this place, I really love how unique it is. I'm gonna show you guys around. We actually haven't really explored the area too much, but I'm looking at the map. A few things that I've already noted that I absolutely adored was the fact that they text you, the office texts you with your stay. They told us about a concert last night, a beer tasting last night. This morning they texted us to let us know that they have a really great breakfast place on site, which is super dope. The pool is really sick. I can't believe there's a hot tub and a splash pad with the pool, and there's multiple pools on site. So really, really cool. We're gonna try to get some cool shots for you so you can kind of get an idea of what's going on here. I'm excited to go explore. Woo, let's do it. Here's the map of this place. This place is really big. It's crazy. There's so much on site. the RV park. That's so cool. There's so many RVs. They're deep, like there's a bunch.
Yeah, this place is pretty dope, man.
It's really cool. So unique. It's like an RV park, but people without an RV can stay here too. You know, it's like wild.
You know what's funny?
What?
We're driving a rent-a-car that has an Arizona license plate, so everybody
thinks we're from Arizona.
Yeah, everybody's probably like, oh, these Arizonians.
Yeah.
Dude. Oh my god, there's lights on in this window too. Maybe you should just, yeah.
I got it.
Alright.
Those are so cute. Those are the cutest little cottages.
And like,
what's super sick about this place is it's like an RV park, right? But it has like cabins, lodges, ranch houses, and the tents. So it's really cool because there's a lot of different ways to stay here. Next time I'd really like to check out one of the cottages probably, or the ranch houses. I really like it. Anyways, very unique, very community oriented. We're here on spring break, so it is definitely crazy busy, but it's been really, really cool.
okay.
That's the shot. It's the best one because it's so intense.
It's so big.
That's what she said. Alright guys, we just got to Santa Barbara. The airport here is absolutely adorable, but what is cuter than their airport is the car they gave me for a rental. Look at him, he's just a little guy. Look at that little bitty car. He's so cute. Well, I said I wanted gas efficiency and it looks like they nailed it. I've come to California a lot over the years, mostly LA and San Diego. So I've never even been in Santa Barbara or anywhere close to this area. So I'm really excited to check it out, and it was stunning flying in. I just know it's gonna be a sick view a lot of places. Yeah, ours just hit, it's about to hit, what is it right now?
It's $4.
Yeah, $4, yeah.
There's some places that say it's $4 and then some it's $3.99, but...
Really? Well, we haven't seen that for a while.
Yeah, for some reason, well, I used to come to California a lot, and I always noticed that the gas was a lot more expensive here.
Yeah. I called it the bird poop island. I mean, there was so much bird poop on that island. Oh my God. So this is Shoreline Drive that I like to come and walk.
I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la. I love you like la 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 la.
Yeah, Santa Barbara is gorgeous.
I love it so much. I'm so excited.
They're like a dog, it's like the sea dogs.
Oh, look at this. Oh, she's having the best time. Oh, wow.
So cute. morning time in California. We are off to catch some fishies. Okay, it is 7 a.m. in California. We are headed over to try to fish for the first time. It's the only time we're gonna be able to fish on this trip. So fingers crossed we're gonna catch. This is my first time to fish in California, so that's the first. And second first is it's Jimmy's first time to catch a fish in California if we manage to do so. And if we don't, you probably won't be seeing this footage because I won't release it.
First time catching a fish from land. I've caught fish on a boat before. Like on the ocean.
Yeah, I figured.
Not from land.
Got it.
Let's go.
Let's do it. You better be careful, babe. You're on this rock, kind of precarious like. That is the cutest. They're called ground squirrels. I've never seen one of those before.
It's a pretty tea.
Oh, thanks, babe. Yes, it's a good day to be in California fishing. There's a bump. Getting a bump on my pole. Oh my God. That is the cutest. Look. Oh my God. Nature. I know. Oh my God. He lets you pet him? Oh. That's the cutest thing I've ever seen. Wow.
That one's going off here.
Do you want a little piece? Do you want a little piece? Oh, oh my gosh. Hi there, baby. Why are you so cute? I'm a little busy with my close-up shot of this one. I'm gonna name him Benji.
Oh. You're having a party. You're getting that bird going. It's a party. It'll be a squirrel party.
Did you like your chip? Oh, now you want a chip? I don't have any more though, buddy. I'm all out.
Jump on.
Look, I'm scared.
There's a fish at.
Alright. What'd you get? Trusty Dusty Castmaster made it happen.